everyone, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I'm here to review with you for your Chapter 1 MCP test. We're going to talk about square roots. In addition to square roots, we also have cube roots and fourth roots, and you'll see some of that on your test. You will also see diamond problems, also equations, also absolute value on your test. And there are some videos you could check out here on YouTube. Now, let's go to the roots. Here we have the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Why is it 5? Because 5 times 5 is 25. In class, you'll see me do this. Okay, since 5 times 5 is 25, the square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 64 is 8. Why is the square root of 64 8? Because 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, so that's like our way of double checking. Now, cube roots. We did some of this in class. Cube roots ask for a number that multiplies by itself 3 times to give you what's in here. Okay, so what times itself 3 times gives you 8. 2 times 2 times 2. So the cube root of 8 is 2. All right, let's do this one. Cube root of 64. What times itself 3 times gives you 64? That would be 4. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4, that gives you 64. So the cube root of 64 is 4. The cool thing about cube root is you can also get negatives. So what if I wanted to do, let's do an easy one, cube root of negative 1. Well, negative 1 times negative 1 gives you positive 1. Times another negative 1, that gives you negative 1. The cube root of negative 1 is negative 1. That's fun. Over here, we have the fourth root. The fourth root's asking for a number that multiplies by itself 4 times to give you what's inside. So for this, it'd be 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Times another 2 is 16. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. Now we have 81. What would the fourth root of 81 be? It would be 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is, 27. Times 3, that's 81. I like to do it this way. 9 times 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. All right. Thank you. Thank Godinez.